Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will break down the syllabus for Test Prep GMAT Section 2 so you can plan focused preparation and know exactly what to expect. Overview. Section 2 of the GMAT Focus Edition splits into two domains with clear weights and a scenario-based assessment style, so timed practice with realistic passages matters. Reading comprehension makes up 55% and focuses on measuring the ability to understand, analyze, and apply information and concepts presented in written text, while critical reasoning makes up 45% and evaluates the ability to make and assess arguments and to formulate or evaluate a plan of action. Both domains are rated hard, and together they require sustained study time and strategic practice to master the scenario-based questions and the reasoning demands of the exam. Reading comprehension is weighted at 55%, is rated hard, and has an estimated learning time of 45 hours with scenario-based assessments that test sustained reading and careful analysis. You will learn to identify the main idea and logical structure by summarizing the primary purpose of a passage, finding the author's point of view and tone, analyzing how ideas are organized, determining relationships between paragraphs, and evaluating the role of supporting evidence so you can separate main claims from subordinate points. You will also master inference and detail analysis by extracting specific information stated in the text, drawing valid inferences from given premises, interpreting vocabulary in context, recognizing implied relationships between concepts, spotting unstated assumptions, and applying passage concepts to hypothetical situations, all skills that help you answer complex question types accurately under time pressure. Critical reasoning accounts for 45%, is rated hard, and calls for about 35 hours of focused learning with scenario-based items that demand precise argument work and tactical response. In argument construction and analysis you will learn to identify premises and logical conclusions, determine the role of bolded text, analyze the structural components of an argument, uncover unstated assumptions required for validity, recognize the method of reasoning used, and assess whether background information supports the claim. In argument evaluation and strategy you will practice strengthening arguments with additional evidence, weakening them by finding counterexamples, detecting common logical flaws and reasoning errors, evaluating how new information affects a claim, judging the effectiveness of proposed plans of action, and resolving paradoxes or apparent contradictions to choose the best answer in tight scenarios. To wrap up, prioritize reading comprehension first for the larger 55% weight while building strong critical reasoning skills for the remaining 45%, and plan around the recommended study hours of 45 and 35 respectively. Practice with full scenario-based passages, review explanations for inference and assumption questions, and drill argument evaluation strategies so you can improve accuracy under time conditions.